You hear that up there? Not the frickin'. So, I just caught video of the government going right next to a UFO. I'm just going to show it to you guys next. It's pretty crazy. I've never caught them both in the same shot like that before. But I'm also going out. I'm going to take some video of the other ones right now. So, okay, enjoy the video. My trespassing UFOs. And it is cold out here. And look at that. Look who's going right to see my guy. Look at that. That's the fucking government right there. Flying right next to the UFO. That's no accident. The UFOs don't go near each other. You see that? Isn't that crazy? I just came out and the government's right in the middle of my shot. And here's Old Faithful, and here's some other guys. But I gotta go inside because I'm freezing right now, but that was pretty crazy, huh? He just had the government right next to him. See this guy? That's two. He's going in and out of visibility. And then this guy, I can't get him at all unless I go inside. I bet you I get him invisible. And fuck, man, this guy's not coming in either. But see this guy above my head? Right over my head, watch. He'll go invisible, watch. Maybe not. Maybe not. So that's 1, 2, that's Old Faithful. Okay, it's 2. And this guy never comes in, but I got him there. 3, see that? And then this guy's around the corner. So that's only 3 on video. Oh, look at this. Mohican goes in and out of invisible mode, just like that. That's 4 that you guys got. Damn, he moved. That's it for now. You hear that up there? Not the frickin'